Relay's mission is to get some Bitcoin into everyone's pocket. I was always very passionate about bringing this whole new crypto finance to traditional finance or to the broad masses, because I think there's a huge gap between that.
I was always interested in the tech part of it, and I just wanted to bring this to more people. Bitcoin has no borders, Bitcoin has no nationality. Bitcoin is not linked to someone or something. And this is actually what makes it really strong.
We believe that Bitcoin is here to stay, and it will be the store of value that people are using in the 21st century. And so it's a very long-term game. The new generations that are now below 30, they are the ones who are already now the biggest consumer group, and they will be the biggest investor group in the next 10 to 20 years. There's unfortunately not a really easy solution for taxi drivers, hairdressers, people in my environment that were not into tech, not into finance, that just wanted to have an easy access to Bitcoin. Download an app and within 1 minute just chip the first $100 in and set up an automatic savings plan.
The Relai app is really easy to use. Users need to define if they want to buy or sell, input their amount and frequency, and then just enter the banking information. So from downloading the app to creating the first order, we want the user to perform this in less than a minute. You are the only one to have control over the Bitcoin that is located in your Relai wallet. This is what we call a non-custodial wallet. Having full control of your wallet as a user is quite different from our competitors, meaning that they are the ones controlling your different crypto assets.
When we released it in June 2020, processed the first 100K USD in 1 month. Like now, we actually have 80K app downloads in 40 different European countries, which are investing between 4 and 5 million of USD. I honestly believe that now is one of the best timings for an investor to get into Relai. We're not a very early stage startup. Bitcoin is really now in the transition from early stage technology to mainstream. And this will only happen once. I think this is really the way how we can get Bitcoin and crypto finance to really the most people in the world.